Hey guys, hi everyone, and my name is Shiv Mangla, and I once again welcome everyone to the world of testing. Today, we are going to discuss with one of the main topic in manual testing, that is our functional testing. Okay, when you see this functional testing slide, you are saying subtitle it as a behavior testing. So don't get confused with what exactly the behavior testing is. Functional testing is called also as a behavior testing. Okay. So when I say functional testing or behavior testing, I'm actually trying to say how exactly my system performs or how exactly my system behaves under different input. Okay. So, before getting in detail of functional testing or behavior testing, let me give you a simple definition of functional testing. Okay, so what exactly is a functional testing? Functional testing is also known as a behavior testing, which is based on the functionality of a program. Okay, to explain this statement, let me open a notepad for you. Okay, so here in a calculator, what if I give 2 into 2? I get an output it as a 4. That is, system is able to understand two different inputs. That is, it is able to understand one is a number, that is 2, and one is a cross symbol. That is, it has to multiply two different values. Then it has to give me the output. So, this statement implies that based on the functionality of a program, that is input what we are passing to the system understand that input and give us in the form of output. Okay, so when I say functional testing, we are just only observing the output for a certain input values. Okay, hope you got the slide right. So this is just a definition of functional testing. Let me get in detail of functional testing, how exactly we do in terms of manual testing. Okay, so to give you a detailed description of functional testing, let me get into a new slide where I have taken a live example of ATM machine. Okay, see, this is how the ATM machine looks like. This is just a simple flow where in ATM fields I have something called cash withdrawal, mini statements, edit details, bill payment, balance inquiries, and pin change. Okay, so let me open my notepad again. So now the requirement of a client is requirement. When I say requirement, these are done by somebody else. They understand what a cash withdrawal field has to do. Okay, so for this cash withdrawal field which is given by the client to me, he has told a ATM machine can withdraw a cash of somewhere around 100 to 50,000 per day. Okay, so this is a requirement what a client has done. Okay, so based on the requirement, now I have to do functional testing on this cash withdrawal button. Okay, for this how I do the functional testing. Okay, so in amount filled, what I'll do is I'll type first 500. If I type 500, if I go to cash withdrawal and if I give 500 amount, what it has to do? It has to give me a 500 cash, right? So again, I'll take one more example as somewhere around 20,000. So what it has to do again? Again, it has to give me a withdrawal of 20,000. Okay. So let me take one more example where I want to withdraw cash of 120 rupees. So what it will do now? It will give me a message saying that enter multiplies of 100. That is only a combinations of 100, 200, 300 can be in withdrawal. I can't withdraw somewhere around, if it is not a multiple of 100, I can't withdraw, right? So based on the requirement, we are trying to understand how this cash withdrawal work for each and every value, right? So when I am trying to understand